YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back. Back at it again, baby. I know it's been a while. I haven't done a video. You know, hunting season's pretty much over right now. I didn't tag out with a javelina earlier in the year, and I've just been doing a lot of fishing. I'm on night shift right now, so I've been doing a lot of night fishing as well, fishing for catfish. Can't really see that well at night, so I haven't been recording it. I've been doing some fishing in the daytime, some bass fishing, so I'll start doing some videos with that. But this video, I'm going to show you, we got a new addition to the collection, right? We're going to be doing a lot more fishing now. All right, so let's get to it, baby. Let me show you what we got going on here. A little pop-up camper right here with a travel trailer attached to it. It is a Rockwood Freedom. Not bad. It pops out front and back, queen size beds, and it does have a side pop out as well. Excuse the garage, it's a mess. Ended up getting a trailer. Did get this little Polaris right here. It is a Polaris Ranger EV. You can see it's got a flat tire right now. Went hard on the camping trip, but this is what the video is about right here. Got a new John boat right here. It is 14 feet long. It is an off brand. Right here is not a tracker or a low or anything like that. It's a pretty decent John boat. 14 feet long. I haven't done anything to it. I've been wanting a boat for a long time. I was looking at some new boats. As you can tell, they're very expensive. I've been wanting a John boat for some time, and I found a deal here locally on this one, so I pulled the trigger on it. I haven't done anything to it. It came with one of these older Johnson motors, 2-stroke. It is a 9.5 horsepower. Little fuel tank there in the back. Does have swivel seats installed. Got some raised seats up here, up top. Came with some paddles, little anchor, and it came with this little trolling motor right here. It is a Minn Kota turbo. It is a 36 pound thrust, 5-speed. It's older, but it does work. I got a battery for this. I hooked it up to the battery and it does work. But this is what we got right here. Trailer isn't bad. Trailer's in decent shape. Tread on the tires is decent. The winch looks pretty new. But this is it right here, guys. This is the beginning of it. I got a lot of things that I want to do with this here trailer. I'm gonna paint it. We're gonna put some lighting on it for some night fishing. And this is gonna allow me to make a lot more videos right here. This is it. Wanted to do a real quick video, a little small update, let you guys know what was going on. I'm gonna start working on this thing. Hopefully I have this thing in the water within the next week. And we'll see what's up from there. I also plan on upgrading this older motor here with something a little bit newer, something a little bit more reliable, like a 4-stroke Mercury or something like that. I also plan on upgrading that trolling motor to a 55 pounder. All right, but everything here looks good. Seats swivel, they latch down. I got a lot of plans for this boat. I keep you guys updated with the progress. All right, guys, y'all let me know what y'all think about the new John boat in the comment section below. I reckon that's about it. I'll holler at y'all later. We out here feeling freezers, baby. Let's get it.